All right, here we go. Here, one thing that we know that we are looking at Exact Sciences EXAS. I have an alert set here. Liken that to the upside. It is it actually closed above the 100 and it's sitting there at the top of the channel and the 200-day moving average. It's sitting right there. Watch for that to be breaking out. It is setting up, not really just yet. What else do we got on here? PayPal we were looking at. Liking that, if we can get just a little bit of a pullback here in PayPal, see how tight the markets are right now. All right, we're looking, come on, tighten up a little bit. They're 14 cents wide on something that's trading for 80 cents. That's not gonna do it.